Hi there. Are you having problem with MTN aYo? Are you having problem deactivating it, or it is eating all your airtime? If the answer to these questions are yes, then this video is for you. Welcome to Learn with Hassan. In this video, I'm here to show you how you can deactivate MTN aYo on your own without having to seek for help from anyone. If today happens to be the first time you are watching my video, please consider subscribing to the channel and then hit the notification bell so that when I upload a new video, you will be notified. So without wasting my time, let's go onto my screen to show you how you can deactivate MTN aYo from your phone without any help from any other person. First of all, this is what you do. You go to your phone, you open your dial pad. After opening your dial pad, then you dial in 296. And it is 296 *296 hash, and you send. After sending, you go to the first option, which is recharge with care or something like that. Then you will be sent to this page, or this pop-up will come onto your phone, or you have this pop-up on your phone, and then you select the first option, which is continue, and then you send. After that, you go for the 10th option, the option number 10. You select that one, then you send. And after that, you go for the last option, which is last but one option, which is option number 6, with more, and you select that one, and you go in for the 5th option that says cancel policy. So you select number 5, you send, and you'll be shown all the policies you've made. So for me, I have only one policy here, which is my life. So I'll have to select one to cancel it. And it will bring you to this page and it tells me that, am I sure I want to cancel it? Yes, I will say yes. So I'll select 2. And after selecting 2, I'll have this pop up, and it is asking me the reason why I want to deactivate it or cancel it. And for me, I will go in for not aware of, or maybe lack of product knowledge. Any one of them will do. So I will choose the number 4 and select it. Then it is telling me terms and conditions over here, and I will choose accept, which is option number 1, and I will send. So now it is telling me that your recharge with care policy has been cancelled. You still have the opportunity to enjoy our insurance, to reinstate your policy and be covered. So now, as you can see, my policy is cancelled. So this is how you can cancel MTN aYo from your phone without any help from anyone. This is very, very simple and straightforward. You don't need anyone to help you on this. So when you follow the video step by step, you are going to do it by yourself. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and then as well share the video for it to help others too. Thank you for watching once again. Until we meet again. Bye-bye.